Hi guys, thanks for tuning in today, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. Today we're going to do some custom chip bags and Capri Suns for a little gift basket. Now if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so and hit that notification bell for more videos. So let's get right into it. Now these were designed in Canva. If you would like the template, I will link it to my Etsy store and you can purchase it that way. So here, this is how I like to do my chip bags. I haven't tried the double-sided tape method yet. I've always been using the glue gun and it seems to work fine for me. Now with this design, I had the ripple effect already pre-made onto the chip bag, so I didn't have to crimp it, because sometimes the crimper really messes with the paper sometimes. So I tried it this way. I put the pre-made the pre-made crimper, the effect, on the edges of the chip bag. And for these chip bags, I use glossy photo paper. And yes, the packaging says Doritos, but I filled it with what was requested by the client. So and if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section and I will answer as much as possible. Now we're going to move on to the Capri Suns. Normally I place it on the front and I remove the straw and then reapply it. This time I decided to do it on the back. Normally you can do this with sticker paper. I think I mistakenly printed it on the regular paper, so I just decided to adhere it with the glue gun, and it works just as fine. I also did fruit snacks and Pringles for this order as well, but I didn't get a chance to video it. Maybe next time. And when using a glue gun, sometimes it can get a little hot and some of the residue can sometimes get on the paper, so just be a little careful with that. So here we have the finished product, guys, and voila, it is so cute. I also did custom notebooks as well, and like I said before, I did Pringles and some fruit snacks. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks a million, guys, for watching this video, and please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. See you guys until next time.